Hey guys, my name is Harry Karanassos from the Foundry of Ideas. This video is part of a video series on woodworking projects and tools, and hopefully these videos will make it easier for you to find exactly what you're looking for. Hi guys, welcome to my latest video. I have come across a problem other people have encountered, and so I thought to myself, it might be a good idea to produce a video that gives an answer to this problem. The problem concerns finding the circle center of the aperture of a router where the cutting bit comes through. This is in relation to what is known as the router sub-base plate. And as you can see, what we are after is the center of this circle here. So, I have a very easy way for you, which will be very helpful, and I'm sure you will appreciate having a solution for this problem. I'm using an A4 piece of paper, and I'm going to put some tape to hold it down. Right, so here we have our A4 paper. This is our sub-base plate of my Bosch POF 1200AE router. Okay, to find a solution to my problem, I have the sub-base plate here. I have put my A4 piece of paper on my green board, and I have secured it with two pieces of adhesive tape. And basically I'm going to trace the outer perimeter of this plate just for reference, because the outer perimeter is not really interfering with what I'm trying to do. What is important is the inner circle, which actually is the aperture of the router through which the cutting bit is passing. Let me see, I'll move the router a little bit this way so you can see. I'm talking about this aperture here, and here is my cutting bit. Like I said earlier, this is a Bosch POF 1200AE router. So here we are, outer perimeter, inner aperture circle, opening, call it whatever you wish. First of all, with my ruler, I'm going to take a random chord, and I'm going to call this chord AB. Now, with the help of my compass, I am going to draw two arcs, and the radius of the compass that I'm going to use here is going to be a little bit smaller than the length of the chord, so that the two arcs that I'm going to draw cross each other. And when I say two, I've drawn one arc with center point A, and now I'm going to draw with the same radius another arc with center point B. Having drawn these two arcs, we see that they are crossing at points C and D. C is here, D is at the upper part here. Now, I'm going to connect these 2 points. Let me put it this way so you can see where I'm drawing. And the line I've just drawn I will call KK dash. Now, what we know here from our geometry is that KK dash passes through the center of the chord AB, and it is vertical on this chord. Another important thing that we know about KK dash is that it passes through the center of this inner circle. However, it doesn't tell us exactly where the center of that inner circle is. In order to find exactly where that point is, I'm going to use the compass again, and I'm going to draw an arc from the point where KK dash crosses the periphery of the circle at the lower point, near point C. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use exactly the length that I see here, and I'm drawing one chord this way, and from the where the line KK dash is crossing again the circle periphery, I'm going to draw another arc with the same radius. And so now I have these 2 points where it is crossing. I shall call this E and F. And let me draw the line EF. Now, if everything has gone right, the point where EF intersects, the point where is EF intersects with line KK dash, i.e. here, is the center of our inner circle. Now, to confirm that, I shall draw a circle from that center point with the radius from the center point to the periphery of that circle. I'm drawing the circle now. And as you can see, the one coincides with the other, and therefore that point here is the center of our inner circle. So if you want to put on the router a new sub-base plate, this is how you will know where that cutting bit is going to pass. That is that point here. Any work that you want to do with a sub-base will require you that you know the center of this point. And this is a very convenient and very easy way of finding out where is the center of this point. I hope that you found this exercise helpful, and I am sure that if you come across a situation whereby you need to find the center of such a circle, or for that matter, the center of any circle, you will appreciate that this is a very easy and very quick way of pinpointing the location of the center of this circle, and by the same token, the center of the outer circle. Stay safe, stay happy, and I hope to see you in my next video. Well, we have reached the end of this video. I do hope that you have found my video informative and useful. Thank you very much for taking the time to go through it with me. If you enjoyed my video, please consider liking it and do subscribe to my channel. If you have any points that you wish to raise, or if you have any questions which are connected to this video, please leave them below in the comments. Your comments are valuable to me because I do try to produce videos that are related to the points that I receive from you. Your comments also help me to make better videos. So please keep your comments coming. Stay safe, healthy, and happy. And I hope to see you in my next video.